Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we're using everything old, not new. I don't know who came up with this idea, but I really like this idea. Just to go back to our old palettes and foundations and use them and enjoy them. And let's go ahead and see what I'm gonna use in this video. I'm gonna go ahead and start with primer. For today I'm gonna use this primer by Tarte. It's called the Timeless Smoothing Primer. It's a pore filling primer. I love this so much, but I haven't used it on my channel for so long, so today is the perfect day. And the way I like to apply this primer and any pore filling primer is by dabbing it. This is the best way to fill in the pores and get smooth and perfect skin. This is really one of the best pore filling primers I've used in my life. So good. It cancels your pores like nobody's business. For foundation, I'm gonna use one of my favorite foundations, and it's this one by Too Faced. It's called Born This Way. I don't use this foundation that much on my channel, but I love it so much. It gives you a perfect look and it's very long wearing. And I'm in the shade light beige. An old sponge too, one of my favorites by Flower Beauty. It's so good. I really love this idea of full face of nothing new, because you get caught up with all these new palette, new foundations, new highlighters, new everything, and you just forget about the stuff that you really like and enjoy. I don't really know who started this idea on YouTube, the full face of nothing new, but I saw a couple YouTubers doing it and I really like the idea. Now it's time for concealer, and I'm gonna let you guess what I'm gonna use. Yes, you're right. I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape. It's a very famous concealer that everybody uses and we all love it. It's so good, very full coverage, and I don't think this will ever get old. Now that concealer's on, it's time to set the concealer. And for setting powder, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite, my Laura Mercier loose powder. I haven't used this in a while too. I was so stuck with my Fit Me by Maybelline. I love that one so much. But today I wanna use this just because I haven't used it in a while. Now while we're baking our face, we're gonna go and prime our eyelids. And thank God that MAC Painterly Paint Pot is not a new product. So for sure I'm gonna use it in this video. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows, and for that I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. This is very old, but it's very good. As I told you guys, my eyebrows are already microbladed, but I like sometimes when I'm doing a full glam to fill them in. I made my eyebrows a little thicker this time, and you'll know why in a second. So now it's time for eyeshadow, and that's the main reason why I wanted to make this video. I missed this palette so much, I almost forgot about it. I'm like, oh my god, this is one of my favorite palettes. I love it, and I can't wait to use it. It's the Nude palette by Huda Beauty. I love Huda Beauty so much. I love her products. I love her personality. She inspires me. If you know me, you know that I love her and she inspires me and I want to be like her and blah blah blah. Anyways, let's go ahead and start. Here's the palette in case you haven't seen it, but this is the palette. Look at the colors. So gorgeous. The pigmentation is incredible. And for today, I'm gonna do a look that Huda Beauty did when she revealed this palette. And let's go ahead and see how it's gonna turn out. With a crease brush, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the color Lace. This beautiful color right here. I'm gonna apply it right here, right above my crease. Same on the other side. Next, I'm gonna go with the color Spanked with the same brush, and I'm gonna apply it right in the crease, right here. Yes, look at the colors, so beautiful. Okay, here's lace and spanked. And now we're gonna get some love bite, just a little bit because it's so pigmented. Tap it off and add it also right in the crease, just to give it more depth. I love layering when it comes to these kind of colors. Start with light shades and add more and more. Okay, I'm gonna grab a flat brush like this and I'm gonna go with the concealer. It's called Concealed. I love that they have a concealer in the palette. Such a great idea. And I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid, like I'm cutting the crease. Now with my finger, I'm gonna go with the color Fantasy. These colors are gorgeous. The payoff is unbelievable and they are so good if you apply them with your finger. Look at this. Don't worry about the way it looks now because we're still gonna go back and blend them together. Now with this clean brush, I'm gonna blend them together. Now I'm gonna go with the shade Daydream and I'm gonna apply it in the middle of my eyelid, just like that, just to give it more shine. Now I'm gonna buff out the loose powder. I'm gonna grab this brush by Moda, it's called the Smudger, and I'm gonna go with the color Tickle, this one, and I'm gonna apply it on my lower lid. Now I'm gonna go with the color Tease and also try to smoke this out. Now I'm gonna grab this small brush and I'm gonna go with the color Bear and apply it on my brow bone. With the same brush, I'm gonna go with the color Crave and apply it on my inner corner. Now it's time for mascara. It's gonna make such a huge difference. For mascara, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite by L'Oreal, Lash Paradise. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes. Okay, mascara's on. Now it's time for bronzer. For a bronzer, I'm gonna use an old palette, and I've owned this for like maybe more than a year now, but it still works. It's this one by Wet n Wild. Can you tell the white is not white anymore? But I don't use it anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my bronzer brush. This is such a cheap bronzer, but it's so good. It's like one of the best drugstore bronzers. I love it. For blush, I'm gonna use this trio palette by Morphe. It's called the Blush Trio. I'm gonna go with the color Sexy. For highlight, also it's gonna be so easy to guess. I'm gonna go with Maybelline Master Chrome, one of the best highlighters in the market. And apply it right here. For a lip liner, I'm gonna go with this one by Kylie Jenner. It's in the shade Malibu. For lip gloss, I'm gonna go with this one by MAC, and this is in the shade Color of the Wild. I'm gonna set my face with my Anastasia Dewy Set. Now that the look is done and complete, I really want to add eyeliner, although she didn't, but I feel like it's missing an eyeliner. So let me grab my Sephora eyeliner, liquid liner, and I'll be back with an eyeliner. Okay, eyeliner's on. I love the look much more, and it's crazy what a difference a thin line of an eyeliner can make. So that's it for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Also, if you like this look, share it with your friends. And I'll see you in my next video. In my next video, I'm doing 2 different fall looks. I'm gonna use 2 different eyeshadow palettes. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna come up on my channel on Friday. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!